Alright, so now that we know how to play the game, we're still part of the community. So technically we have to socialize and be part of that community. So what you can do is look at the minimap in the corner and see that there's someone close to me. So since no one is around me, that person has to be in that giant cube over there, or in that parcel right there. So I'm thinking that person might be over here. So let's have a look. It seems that I'm getting further from that person, so it must not be the case. In which case, if you don't find the person you want to socialize with, well, you may as well leave. So what you can do is press enter, and you've got a list of the people in the world right now. So say Alotamani, for example. Click on it. Cool. So here's Alotamani. So say hello. Is he going to be irresponsive? Cool story, man. Ha ha ha. I need friends. Cool, well that was enough socializing for the day. Alright, here's your fun.